Hey, welcome to Anna Channel and a partner manager here at YouTube. You might be wondering about some of the ways that YouTube is able to assist creators that join our YouTube Partnership Program. Let's find out. So, how does the YouTube Partner Program support creators? All creators in the YouTube Partner Program get access to YouTube's creator support, where you can get help over email and over chat 24/7. The creative support team is there to help with how you use YouTube, including answering questions on policy and copyright account and channel management, how to use our analytics tools, rights management, and even troubleshooting technical issues. But it doesn't stop there. As your channel continues to grow, the partner program support will grow with you. And for some, this includes access to a partner manager. So, what does a partner manager actually do to help creators? Partner managers offer personalized guidance, but we're really there to help creators with what they need on the platform. That can include tips on new product activation, content strategy, or even scaling their business in different ways. A lot of the fun comes around identifying growth opportunities. The partner management team can also help enhance collaboration between creators and the community. We throw events. We try to foster a stronger bond within that community. So overall, having a partner manager can be a valuable asset for creators that are looking to maximize their success on YouTube. How does YouTube identify creators to manage, and how do I get a partner manager? Twice a year, YouTube reaches out to eligible creators over email and also in Creator Studio to offer our partner management support. We look at a variety of signals, which include earnings growth and any existing violations on the channel, which helps us understand whether the partner would be a good match for our partner management program. Can any type of content creator get a partner manager? Yeah. Our team manages creators across all different genres, which includes but is not limited to news, sports, media companies, gaming, shopping, health, cooking. I look after some entertainment creators as well. We also support creators across all of our markets in 30 different languages. So what do I like most about my job? The best part of the job is being a guide and an advocate for the creators that we get to work with. That can mean that we're helping them navigate the complexities of YouTube and hopefully, ultimately achieving your goals. For example, on one day I might be brainstorming video ideas with the creator. The next day, I could be analyzing data to help optimize that content strategy, and sometimes we're even troubleshooting technical issues. We try to make a difference on that creator's journey on YouTube, and every one of those journeys looks different. But ultimately, our goal is to help creators share that voice with the world. And there we have it. I hope one day I'll get a chance to support your journey as a member of the YouTube Partnership Program. Hope you like it. Thank you. Don't forget to subscribe to the Anna channel. Thank you.